Hello guys, thank you for choosing EmpMonitor. In this video, we will run through the EmpMonitor user management settings. EmpMonitor provides role-based access controls which let users set the custom roles permission and also edit the predefined roles. So, let's take a deeper insight into this feature. Log in to your EmpMonitor dashboard. Go to the Settings and select Roles and Permission option. Now, to add a role, go to the option Add New Role. Then a pop-up box will open like this. Here you can enter the role name, locations, and the respective departments. You can also enable and disable Send SMS feature from here. After entering all the details, now hit on Save button. You can see that the role is added. To edit the role, you can click on this edit icon under the action column, and make required changes. As soon as you click on the Save button, you will see that the changes will get reflected in the column. Now, from the Settings icon, you can change the permission settings of the roles you have created. Click on the option you would like to give permission to, and put a checkmark on View to enable it. To provide permission of more detailed features, put a checkmark on Read and Write column. Then again go to Permission Settings, do the changes, and click on Save. You can also view the complete role details by clicking on this icon. Similarly, you can also change the permission settings of already created roles. As you can see, the EmpMonitor dashboard is extremely user-friendly. You can perform every action effortlessly. So that's all in today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you need any help or face issues, feel free to write to us at support@empmonitor.com or contact us over Skype.